Привіт, I'm Chuck Olenek, a Ukrainian American. I was baptized with the name Yaroslav. Today is June 19th, 2026. That makes it year 5, day 116 of the war in Ukraine, or to put it another way, day 1577. Or if we want to go back to when Russia invaded Crimea, day 4502. Every morning I get up and I collect pictures for my videos and I doom scroll. And sometimes the contrasts are really striking. Like this morning, seeing the devastation of Russian attacks and pictures of springtime in Ukraine. And since spring is ending, I thought I'd share the contrasts just because I found them so moving. So, here's to the end of summer and to a Ukrainian victory. Slava Ukraine!